today we're gonna bring a rice dispenser. Now this one I'm gonna put how many ounces and how many liters it could actually hold. But before you set it up to use, make sure you clean it up with a damp towel and dry towel after, and then it's ready to go. It comes with this nice beautiful little cup where you can rinse it out and drain some of the water, and there's measurements on the actual cup, and there's a little lip, if you guys can see that. So what you got to do is just put the actual cup underneath, or any size, and then push the button. Hold the button as long as you want to release any much rice as you want. Take your measurements, all right, and you just do 1 cup or 2. That's half a cup probably, but if you hold it down you can measure it. You guys can see that. Refilling it, it's easy. All right, so to open it up, all you got to do is open it up, and we're going to put the rice back in there. You guys can see the rice goes back in there. We're going to just go do another demo. Put the rice in there, and this one tells you how much rice you have in here. It's a little see-through area, so we're going to close it back up, and then we put the cup back where it belongs. We could keep the cup here, and like I said, easy. You can hold on 1, 2, 3. That's a cup. There you go. See, easy measurements, and we use it back. Very easy to use. Slim, very slim. It fits in any location. It's tall, so you're gonna need some room, but it fits perfect. Not only rice, but it could do other grains too. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.